So as we discussed yesterday also, uh, that on this joint, through this circle, we can create a lots of magic just by moving with these two arms and with this load. And now we'll just try to note some few different points or different concepts through which we can draw our hands and the legs. So we'll discuss only the hands and legs depending on this function, how we can draw that hands or how we can draw that legs. Just by continuing this session, this concept, I will explain you another concept also of this intersection of this chain part. You just observe this part. These are just interlocked in each other. This one you can consider it one circle, this you can consider it one circle, and this you consider it as one circle, like this, as if they are interlocked in each other, like this. Just we have to change the size of the size and a little bit shape of this structure, and we have to continue it, but the shape is almost the same only. Like for example, if you consider it in this way, a little bit bigger size you have to move for each circle, approximately 1.5 times you can move, and then you can just like this. So this is the way you have to make your arms. This is the back side of the arms. With the same structure, I have done that. Now I will show you one more way to draw this. Like these three circles you can draw, and then this is the hand. This is the wrist. So these are the different types of structures of the hands which you can draw, and these three parts are divided into I will let's discuss these three parts in depth. What are these three parts? First is the part of the deltoid. Deltoid is something which we call as a shoulders. This part, this triangle part, is known as the deltoid. This section, is known as the deltoid. The upper part of the curve, you can say, this one, or even this one, or even this one. Then it is followed by another circle. This is the biceps. this second circle, and it is followed by the third arm. So these are the three arms, or the three circles you can see, which you can work. And then the palm, or the hands actually. Here also the same structure you have to follow. This is the biceps. Like this. Even to just make it simplify, to just simple it, I will make it like a just small kid, as I told yesterday also. We used to draw the drawing in this way. So just now try to make it in this cubical form. Like this. You always try to focus, or try to make the paintings in this form. And this is the simplest form. The Warli paintings, which are known as, those are conducted in this form only. The simplest form is the Warli painting. So try to draw different action figures of the hands only. So for the hands, I will just try to make that this is the collarbone, this is the shoulders, and these will be the movements of the hands. For example, if this is the movement, so this is known as the deltoid. This is another shape, and this will be another circle. Here also this will be circle. Here will be another circle, and here it would be third circle. I hope you are understanding this. So please do mention in the comments if you are able to properly understand it. Okay, fine. And then you can erase the unnecessary part. Like this is the gesture of your hands now. I'm not going to draw each and every parts in detail, just to simplify it. I'm trying to show you. You can just try it as a fun for you. Just make sure that this is the neck. This is the that neck part. So this, try to draw this V followed by this shape, like this, and try to make your own circles, your own combination. So for example, the lifting of the hands, For this type of structures also you can follow the same pattern. Draw the circles. Like this. And then you join them. Like this it will form now. You can again erase the unnecessary part. And this will be a figure now. So this will always help you to understand and to draw the figures correctly and in the exact way. uh, you can try another gesture now. For example, like this. This one circle, this another circle, and this is the third circle. Here also the same pattern. First, second circle, third circle. Then make the darker tones. Again erase the necessary lines. If you want to draw the drapery, you can draw the drapery also, like this. Just fill it. So for example, I will take the red color. Like this you can go with the drapery part also. So this is how you have to form the circles and you have to create it. You can always try different forms, different gestures. Is there anyone who is also practicing along with the tutorial? Okay, perfect. So is there anyone more with whom we can discuss this, if they are drawing or if they are facing any difficulties to draw this? You can just make any possibilities, any rough and any wild possibilities to draw this. I have made this possibility. When you are drawing this chest bone, make sure that the end part of the chest, this ending you have to make in this circle, attached to this circle. Here also you try to attach this in this part like this. Here there will be the circle of the deltoid. This part you just consider that there is a this type of shape, the shape of the leaf in these parts. You can see the shape of the leaf like this. Here also you can see the shape of the leaf. Then just make the dark tones now. And try to remove the unnecessary parts now. This will be your arms now in this case. These are your memory drawings. This is nothing but your memory drawings. So I hope so you have understood this point, and if let me know if anything more is left there for you to understand among these of these arms.